Welcome to our SpectroCoin review. If you're looking for a versatile platform for managing your crypto assets, then SpectroCoin may be the right option for you. It's a comprehensive service that combines a wallet, exchange, and prepaid card into one easy-to-use platform. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, SpectroCoin offers everything you need for seamless crypto transactions. First, let's take a look at SpectroCoin's wallet service. It supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a selection of stablecoins. The wallet is designed for both beginners and advanced users, providing easy access to send, receive, and store your digital assets. You could also enable two-factor authentication for added security, ensuring that your funds remain safe. Next, SpectroCoin offers a fully integrated exchange where you can buy, sell, and trade your crypto. The exchange supports several fiat currencies, like USD, Euro, and GBP, making it easy for users from various countries to deposit and withdraw. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, with straightforward trading features that allow both novice traders and seasoned investors to make the most of their crypto transactions. SpectroCoin also provides a prepaid card that allows you to spend your cryptocurrency just like regular money. You can load the card with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other supported cryptocurrencies, and use it to make purchases online or in stores. This adds a layer of convenience for users who want to integrate crypto into their everyday spending habits. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Now, let's discuss SpectroCoin's fees. The platform offers competitive rates for both trading and withdrawals. When making a deposit or withdrawal, the fees are typically low, but they can vary depending on the method used. Trading fees on the exchange are also quite reasonable, making it an attractive option for those who trade frequently. SpectroCoin also features a referral program, which allows you to earn rewards by inviting friends to join the platform. This can be a great way to earn some extra crypto if you're actively using the service. Overall, SpectroCoin offers a robust and comprehensive set of tools for anyone looking to manage, trade, or spend cryptocurrency. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned pro, the platform provides all the essential services in one place. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment with your thoughts on SpectroCoin.